Well, hello guys. Again I'm on the knees on to my high mileage Honda CRV. I'm thinking is the have the loose on the inner tire rod, and I'm gonna show that because when you're driving it feels like you're driving with the flat tire, something like that. When I check it, move at the wheel, like on the 3 and 9 o'clock, and moving like that. Now, of course, it's loose the bolts, but when you're moving this, you can feel a little bit, not the steering wheel is moving together, but by itself the wheel, only that area is moving. And the other side, when I move the wheel, like this, I can feel what this steering wheel is moving as well. But this one's no. That's why, let's go have a look what the hell is going on there. Oh, that's very bad, because in there, I don't know, doesn't look amazing. It's a little bit rusty, no grease much. I need preventing to do the damage. I'm not gonna hit straight away in. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy. And again, hands is dirty and I don't have the rock. Okay, what we have in here? Well, actually that is the loose. You know, maybe, yes. I think it's bad. I just buy it what I can buy at the moment, and let's have a look. Oh yeah, even I cannot move that by hand. This means my one, like, you know, bouncing, I guess is enough, just like that to the check, and you know what something is not right. Okay, backwards, clean up this thread. What? It's parachute? My ball joint? Don't tell me that. It's not good. Ah, that's strange. I don't know if you guys can see that. I know it's different thing, but let's say it's like heated a little bit. Grease come out. Well, need to order new ones. That was the 555s over here. Yes, I guess I need to order original ones. Now it's raining. Amazing. 19 to prevent overspinning or whatever, or make life a little bit easier. I'm gonna put back bolts. And of course I need to put the gloves because I'm gonna hit somewhere my fist, and I don't want that. A little bit here. It's terrible. That way. Oh yes. Of course I can go this way. And I don't have space to take it. Amazing have the good gloves. that it's loose now. When it's loose, I can turn out that, take off, and now when it's loose, leaving like that, I'm taking off the gloves. Old man, I need a pen. Now what we need to do to prevent any problems and make at least the little bit straight the steering, we need to count how many turns this one's. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 and a half. Let's start like this. You need to remember. Of course, never don't do that, but for the memorizing everything, I'm just write it. Voila. It's not mine, I borrow it from my friend. And we need just to check which one is the head, put on that one, and I think something is going on because I've never not used that. And let's see if we're gonna see how it's working. I need 40 head application, 40-45 diameter. It's come out, good. Now look. That is not good. This one, nothing. Well, we need to remove that thing on the here. Yes, it goes. It should come out. Come on. Ah. Doesn't look very healthy. This I think it stays in there to prevent any damages. This goes on the here. And slides in, I guessing. That's clean. Okay, now I need, well, it says 54 Newton meters. 54. Let's have a look. $54 Newton meters, the foot-pounds. How much foot-pounds gonna be? Okay, it's 39 foot-pounds, I mean it's 40 foot-pounds. Let's have a look. 30. A little bit here. Now I need to apply the new on that thing. But yeah, I better now gonna do. because now I have yes. It's so embarrassing. That's not moving anywhere. Okay, now I need to put the washer, the washer nut, new one back, but I want a little bit anti-seize copper grease. That goes. That goes in. I don't know how much I need. This would done. 12, 13, 13 and a half. That's why I need that start on the top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and half. Now sounds better. Okay, now we need a little bit again anti-seize. Put that back. Okay, this one goes 40 Newton meters. Okay, foot-pounds 32. Good. Where's the hole? Let's put that one. A little bit anti-seize. And that's it. That's how you change it. If you have some jubil clips, use the jubil clips if they're not too much wider than the original clamp, or buy clamps, but remember, in that narrow places with these pliers is like hell to fit that properly and compress, because when you're going in, you're almost in here holding, not applying the force in the end, because there's no space. Or need the pliers, which one you can go that way and do this way. Okay, all the rest I'm not gonna show how to put back the wheel and everything. Then I'm not gonna make video on the other side because I have the other one as well. But that doors, it's from new project. It's not the project, it's like I'm buy it from the co-part of the car. I needed the doors. It's gonna be changed. Let's say, guys, let's guess what that actually is there. Audi, Volkswagen, Mercedes, Volvo, or something. I'm first time buy the car from the co-part with the category, and gonna put back on the road. Hope so soon. thank you for watching, and please subscribe. It's gonna be much more videos about the cars from the co-part, about my Honda, about different cars when I'm fixing and everything. And yes, thank you for watching, and sorry if something is not right. I am always doing something and learning. Thank you, bye.
What people don't forget: subscribe and like.